Do you feel like building wealth is impossible because you don't have a lot of money? You're not alone. Most beginners think they need thousands to get started. The truth is, thinking you need a fortune before you start keeps most people broke. Waiting only wastes time and opportunity. Even just a few dollars invested regularly can snowball into hundreds or thousands over time. And the earlier you start, the bigger the difference. Many believe wealth building is only for the rich, but anyone can start, even with small amounts. The key is taking simple, consistent actions like saving, tracking spending, and learning where to put your money. You can start with just $5, $10, or $20 a week. It might not feel like much now, but over months, those small deposits add up. The real power comes from consistency and letting your money grow over time. Set up automatic transfers or use apps that save and invest for you. You won't even notice it, but your money keeps working in the background. Automation takes the pressure off and makes building wealth much easier. Even tiny investments can grow thanks to compounding. For example, investing $20 a week in a low-cost index fund could turn into thousands in a few years. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Track your expenses and cut small leaks in your budget. That daily coffee or subscription might not seem like much, but over weeks, it adds up. Redirecting just a little extra money into savings or investments can make a huge difference. Consider building multiple streams of income. Even a small side hustle, freelance work, or selling things online adds extra cash that can go toward your wealth building plan. Every extra dollar accelerates your progress. Building wealth isn't instant. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Small, consistent actions every week, saving, investing, and avoiding unnecessary spending, lead to big results over months and years. Stay away from get-rich-quick schemes. Most of them fail or scam people. Real wealth grows slowly with discipline, patience, and smart choices, and the results last far longer than any quick win. Remember, you don't need a fortune to start. Even small steps taken consistently can turn into significant savings and investments over time. Start where you are, use what you have, and let time do the heavy lifting. Want more simple ways to build wealth with little money? Subscribe to Money Basics Library and never miss a quick money tip. Check the description for related product links that can help you start building wealth today. And let me know in the comments, what's one small step you're taking this week to grow your money?